Okay, as we were saying, so let's say you are trying to get a position. I'll just walk you through what I do. So if I was trying to get another position in another organization, let's say it was forensics, here's what I would do. This is in my course, by the way, forensics jobs. I'm going to look at forensics jobs first of all. I'm going to do my own research. This is what you got to do. Now, if you're in security operations center, think about what career path you want to go into, because now it's time for you to level up. And you got to put this on your resume, but first you got to do your research to figure out what are those key words you need to put on there to make you more desirable for forensics or whatever you're going to get yourself into. So right now we're looking at forensics. So if I was trying to get into forensics, first of all, I want to know how much do they pay? Very important question, because I got to pay my bills. I got to take care of my kids. I got a whole bunch of stuff I need to do. So this is pretty good job, but maybe that's only for that position. Like, are there any other ones? Let's see. I'm going to go to this one. Another place we can go is Glassdoor, by the way. Glassdoor is probably one of the best ones if you're looking for salary, because they'll tell you the salary range of different levels of forensic scientists and engineers. Whereas this is just, these are real jobs. This is no joke. I mean, this is real deal right here. But we want to know, like, okay, if let's say I have zero experience doing this, are they going to pay me $100,000? Probably not. Glassdoor will show you all that kind of stuff. So I would include that in my research. I'm looking at prices. I'm looking at what kinds of things that they want. A really important one is what kind of work do they do? Responsibilities and activities. So they want me to develop strategies and plans to achieve security requirements and address identified risks. I can do that. I mean, I've been doing that for years. I'm not seeing anything like crazy here. I'm not seeing anything crazy. They want a bachelor's degree, 5 or more years of experience with, I could literally sign up for this one. Look at this. Just doing a little bit of research on forensics, and I found entry-level type forensics position. But then I have to do an actual interview with them to figure out, is this a forensics position? So this is not telling me a lot about forensics. So I don't even know why this came up, but I'd have to talk to them about that. And that's what I would do.